Hey guys, welcome to another install video. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to install a smoke overlays over my side markers. So I was thinking a while about it, trying to figure out what I want to do with my side markers, whether I want to put just some smoke overlays on them or replace them completely with something like a Diodynamics, or there's a bunch of other options obviously. For now I figured this is a cheap and quick mod. I'll get it done and then later figure out if I want to keep it and if I want to replace it with the whole units. Alright, so without wasting too much time, let's get to it and get them installed. Alright, so this is what we have. Obviously the smoke overlays, some paper towels, a squeegee, bottle of water with soap, a regular towel, and a heat gun. And so the car is a little dirty, so let's spray the area with soap just to clean it up first. Yeah, it needs washing. Alright. Now let's spray it again just to wet the area. Okay, let's pick the correct overlay before we take it off. Alright, that's this guy right here. I like to get it like halfway down, spray it, and then peel the rest. Alright, now let's spray it again, place it, and start arranging it properly. Once you're happy with it, just kind of start dabbing to squeeze out the water. Start from like the middle and go out. If you need to rearrange it again, do it, and do it now. It's going to still move around a little bit, so just kind of try to get a decent grip on it. Squeeze out as much water from underneath as possible. Take your time. I like to get the paint kind of dry on the outside a little bit first before we use the heat gun. Alright, once you get it to roughly where you want it to be, get a heat gun and start warming up the area. Cool it down. Alright, and that's basically it. The overlay is installed. There may be some very tiny bubbles still here, but they should go away in about a day or so once everything underneath it dries out. I mean, you can use a little bit more heat gun to try and get them out and squeeze them out, but they're really tiny, and I'm sure it'll all settle in about a day. Alright, let's go do the front side marker. Alright, same thing. Spray the area to clean it a little bit. Alright. Let's figure out which overlay. It looks like it's this guy here. Alright, that's the one. Now let's spray it. Again, remove it halfway. Spray it a little bit. Place. Get the napkin. Oops. Looks pretty good. Let's get a heat gun. Spray down. And look for any bubbles that you may see, big ones particularly. Alright, front driver's side is done. Same thing. Obviously check for bubbles. There may be tiny ones in some places, but again, they should be they should go away in about a day or so. All right, let's do the other side. Same thing. I'll speed things up a little bit. Just for a quick comparison, this is what a smoked light looks like, and this is the stock. Alright, let's get this one done. Alright guys, so that was the install of vinyl overlays. Hopefully it was helpful and useful for you. Again, I'm not sure if I'm just going to stick to vinyl overlays, if I'm going to go with something else. But for now, it'll have to do. Let's see what they look like in about a day once all the tiny little bubbles are out. We'll go from there. Alright guys, so if this was helpful for you, please don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.